If I had to start from zero today, this is the exact plan I'd follow. No money, no connections, no support, just pressure, and a phone in my hand. I've been at zero before, and the hardest part was not the lack of money. It was not knowing what to do next. People say, work hard, but nobody tells you where to put that work. You are not lost because you're weak. You're lost because you were never given a clear path. Today, I'm giving you the path I never had. Here is the truth that changed my life. Motivation does not pay you. A skill pays you, and no one is coming to save you. But that is good news because you are in control. When I was at zero, I tried too many ideas at the same time. Nothing worked. Then I learned one simple rule: one skill to one offer to one client. That is it. Not 10 ideas, not a big plan, not waiting for the perfect moment. Choose one simple skill you can learn fast. Turn that skill into a small offer. Sell that offer to one real person. If I had only my phone today, I would choose a beginner-friendly skill like short video editing, simple ads for small shops, basic graphic design, or AI videos for businesses. These skills are fast to learn and easy to sell. If I was starting again right now from zero, here is the exact 24-hour plan I would follow. From hour 1 to hour 3, I choose one skill: editing, design, or AI ads. I make a clear choice and I do not change it. From hour 4 to hour 6, I go on YouTube and learn the basics. I follow a few tutorials. I create 2 simple samples. They do not need to be perfect. They only need to show that I can do the job. From hour 7 to hour 12, I create a simple offer. Something like, I make clean 20 to 30-second promo videos for small businesses. Short, clear, useful. From hour 12 to hour 24, I send messages to 20 small businesses, restaurants, barbers, gyms, real estate agents. I tell them who I am, what I can do, and how I can help. I do not need 10 clients, I only need one yes. When one person says yes, I do the job as well as I can. I deliver on time, I am easy to work with. Then I ask for a short testimonial. At that moment, I am no longer at zero. I have a real client, real work, and real proof. If you are starting from zero, there are a few mistakes that can keep you stuck for years. Trying to learn too many skills at once, chasing fast money, thinking too much, waiting for the perfect time to start. You do not need a perfect plan. You need action. Here is the mindset that helped me climb out of zero. You do not need money to start. You need movement. Small steps create momentum. Momentum creates opportunities. Opportunities change your life. I built this channel to help people like you. People who want a real path, not empty motivation. If you want the next step, follow the channel. Because in the next episode, I will show you how to make your first $100. Even if you think you have no skills. See you in the next episode.